Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Kingwear KC05. As you can see, we have the package in front of us. We have a beautiful package, simple, and we have some good custom in the package. We're going to go in details in this video, see what we got in the package first. As you can see, it says smartwatch, and the side we have here the name KC05. Nothing else, very simple as I said. As you can see in the right side, we have 1 plus 16, which means 1 GB of RAM and 16 of storage. We have other storage as well, 3 with 32, but ours is very simple. Let's see what we have here underneath. As you can see, we have 2 little boxes. In the first one, we have the charger. You can see the cable is long enough. This is the head of the cable that goes in. We have 2 magnets to hold it, and in the other package we will find nothing because this is just for decoration. Underneath this package we have a screen protector, which is very useful. We actually had 2 in the package, but one of them we put it on and one we have for later. We have the user manual as usual, so we know everything about this device. So the KC05 has a 1.3-inch high-quality rounded display. We have GPS positioning, 4G support, etc. We have comfortable wearing, so it means the bands are very soft and very flexible. That makes the KC05 wearable for every day. We have, as I said, the HD display, we have touchscreen, long standby, battery, we have waterproof, so you can wear it while you are washing your hands. Even if you make this watch wet, it doesn't affect it. In the software we will find information push, health monitoring, motion monitoring, small reminders, sleep analyze, mobile positioning, etc. etc. The wristband is made of high quality material, which is comfortable to wear for more skin friendly, and we have high definition color screen and large screen as well. So these are just a few things about the KC05 that makes this watch very useful in daily basic. Let's go ahead and power it on, see what it has. I forgot to mention that we have 2 buttons in the right side. Also we have a battery starting from 610 mAh, and the camera is 500 pixel. Let's wait now until it's turned on all the way. We can see Android. This has Android 7.1.1. And any minute now this watch should power on and we will see all the software that it is. As you can see, this is the first page. We can change this wallpaper or however face you want to call it. You have multiple ones that are already downloaded. You can download always more or put a picture that you want, as you can see, uploaded from the gallery. I'm going to put this one. I like this one very much. I used this a while ago. You can see we have quite a few information. In the left we have notification, down we have the average sport for the week, we have steps, we have kilometer distance, and we have burn calories as well. And the top we have taskbar starting from time, date, we have percentage of battery. Down below we have the Bluetooth and SIM card sign. Here we have some shortcuts like brightness, do not disturb, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network, location, etc. etc. We have here the cleaner and the music control as well. Also we have the weather at the end. In the right we have the menu. As you can see, we have the rounded shape. In the middle we have the time, starting here from contacts, messages, Google Chrome, calendar, and we have other things like camera, music, steps, we have heart rate, sports, microphone, gallery, weather. We have here shortcuts and we have voice search, location, also 3 apps that we downloaded. We are going to try these later, like YouTube, Messenger, and Instagram. Let's go ahead and try something out here. Let's try the heart rate first, see what we got and how it will measure our heart rate. It will take a couple of seconds, but after that we should wait a little bit. As you can see, immediately it shows you the heart rate and it saves with time and date here in the watch. You can see other dates that I measure my heart rate as well. We have here sports, as you can see, starting from outdoor run, outdoor walk. We have indoor run, ride bike, play basketball, play football, play ping pong, badminton, rope skipping, etc. Also we have the records in the right, as you saw. Let's try outdoor run first. Press go. You can see the time at the top, or the clock. We have timing here with seconds. We have kilometer, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometer per hour, and we have the pace as well. Enough information. If you go for a run while you're wearing the KC05, let's try something else. Like I said, we have 3 apps that we downloaded. As you can see, Instagram opens up without any problem. We have Messenger here, and we have YouTube as well. We don't have the connection right now in the watch, so these just open, but we can test them. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting or helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.